So this attitude of acceptance of the now, of what is, as it is extremely liberating from suffering. And the normal approach of many spiritual paths that will tell you to resist, to change the conditions, and it only leads to an increase in resistance, and resistance is suffering. There is no difference. Resistance to what is suffering. White dogs have this amazing, generally speaking, this amazing happiness because they accept the now as it is. They're not in conflict. Oh, this shouldn't be this way. So a dog can be a stray dog walking on the streets and has no owner and is eating in the garbage cans, but he's not saying this shouldn't have happened to me. So there is no suffering. We could say there is pain, physical pain, if the dog has been injured or something like that. But animals have this extraordinary capacity to accept what is, and that keeps them away from suffering. And why they have that capacity? Because they have not created this egotistic mind that we have, that is in conflict with what is, and thrives in conflict with what is. Make sense to you? Okay. So although this is not a subject for this meeting today, we are going to discuss the surrendering technique, which is linked to this, of course, but it's more a healing technique. But this is extremely valuable. Anything that we will talk today can be valuable, but perhaps, and will be valuable, but perhaps this is the most valuable, what we have just discussed. Cultivating a sense of harmony and acceptance of what is priceless.